The Boeing 747, affectionately known as the Queen of the Skies, has experienced significant developments in 2025, marking both the end of an era and the continuation of its storied legacy. Production of the iconic aircraft officially ceased in 2023, concluding over 5 decades of manufacturing that saw 1,574 units built. This decision was driven by the aviation industry's shift towards more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft, leading to a decline in demand for the 4-engine jumbo jet. Site Turn Zero Search 22. Despite the halt in production, the Boeing 747 continues to grace the skies, albeit with a reduced presence. As of 2025, only 4 airlines maintain the 747 in their fleets: Lufthansa, Korean Air, Air China, and Rossiya Airlines. Notably, Korean Air plans to retire its 747 fleet by the end of March 2025, replacing them with more modern Boeing 777-300ER aircraft. Site Turn Zero Search 26. This transition underscores the industry's move towards more efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft. Air China, on the other hand, has reintroduced the Boeing 747 on its Beijing to Washington, D.C. route, starting March 11, 2025. This deployment highlights the aircraft's enduring capacity and range capabilities, making it suitable for long-haul international flights. Site Turn Zero Search 0. Domestically, Air China continues to operate the 747 on routes to major Chinese cities, including Guangzhou, Shanghai, and Shenzhen, leveraging its impressive passenger capacity to meet high demand. Site Turn Zero Search 2. In the United States, the Boeing 747 remains a symbol of presidential transport. The current Air Force One fleet, consisting of 2 heavily modified Boeing 747-200B aircraft, is slated for replacement by the newer VC-25B models, based on the Boeing 747-8 platform. However, this transition has faced delays, with the delivery of the new aircraft postponed to at least 2027 to 2028. The cessation of 747 production has also impacted the cargo sector. With the production of the jumbo jet having now ceased, those looking to buy a 747 will have to do so on the second-hand market. Site Turn Zero Search 5. Atlas Air remains the leading operator with a robust fleet of 51 aircraft, primarily for cargo transport. Site Turn Zero Search 21. The aircraft's substantial payload capacity continues to make it a valuable asset for cargo carriers worldwide.